Hello, hello, hello. Tingnan mo pa naman yung buhok ko. Look my hair. Oh, you see? Oh. Wala sa ayos. Kaya ito, anong araw ngayon? Happy Monday to every one of us. Happy watching. Happy for everything. I'm waiting, same as usual. I'm waiting the school bus. Celine. Okay. Dito ko siya i-ano na naman yung live. Yung ano ko, video ko. Wala ko nandun pa siya sa dulo. Okay, yan. Naman yung buhok ko. Ganito yung buhok ko pag hindi siya inaayos at tinatali. It's look like this one. My hair. If I can fix my hair, you see my hair? You see my hair? Kasi hindi naman ako makapag-sounds pag nag-download ng mga regular. Kaya ako na lang yung sasayaw at I'm the one to sing at to dance. While I'm waiting the school bus with Celine. Looking of you. They are looking of what I do. Thank you again. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support, and thank you for the all viewers, to all of us. Thank you so much. That you are still support in my channel. Thank you very much. It's the what's that? Presentation for dancing. Pagkatapos yung security, it's looking at me. And the another side pa. And the another side pa yung ano, school bus. Thanks again. All is my daily routine of my life. Not yet. Trish. Look my hair. Oh no. Hello, Amo. Hindi pala yung ano. Kala ko yung isang bus. Isa yung bus na yon sa nursery, I think. Nursery. Sa ano pala sila sa you again for watching. And bye. Hello friends, how are you? Thank you. Yeah. Thank you again for watching. And bye-bye. Keep safe and God bless us all. Kita na yung ngipin ko. Andoon na yung school bus ba? Okay, thank you again for watching. And bye-bye.